Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from Equator. In this video we are going to use this TI-30XS scientific calculator to learn how to calculate percentage. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Now we are going to learn how to do percentage calculation with this calculator now. The first example is the most common one when we say 20% of 1,500. Here we type 20, and for the percent we press second function, 20% times 1,500 times 1,500, and that is 300. The result, so 300, so 20% of 1,500 is 300. The second example is different. It says 300 is what percent of 1,500? We know the answer, which is 20, but let's see how we can do it. So we type 300 times 100. 100 is because the percent is based on 100, and divided by 1,500, and we get 20. This was the second way, and the third one is 1,500 is 20% of what value? In this case, we know it's 300. So 1,500 times 20 divided by 100, and it will give you the 300. So 300 is 20% of 1,500. I'll give you two more examples here for, let's say you want to add tax or add some percentage. Let's say you have 3,000 and you want to add 15% tax on it. For that, we say 3,000 and then 20%, 15% of 3,000. So 15 shift percent times 3,000. So this is very simple. 15% times 3,000 is that 15% of 3,000 plus this value. So we are adding 15% to that. So that is now the value. The second example would be discounting. So we just change the sign. Let's say you have 4,000 and you want to give discount 30% minus 30 shift percent times the same value. So that has been discounted 30%. Thank you for watching. This was the tutorial for this TI-30XS scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video, and also if you have comment or question, post it below the video. Share the video. I appreciate it. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.